Hello, Kelly. Nice to meet you, Kelly. Okay, so I've changed your name to Kelly. Very good, Kelly. Okay, so sorry, Kelly, for this kind of disruption, but I need to tell my usual students about something. Guys, what are our class rules, guys? Come on. I've been reading everything what you guys typing, guys. Yes, no spamming. Yes, be nice. Yes, be nice. And no pictures. Yes. And pay attention. Good, Donya. Yes. Yes, very good. All right. Now, first of all, if you guys get 100% for your homework, you will get your name will be on this list. So well done. We have a lot of you. That's awesome. So let's get started. So today it's going to be called a chicken and rabbit problem. Now, um, the topic name is quite funny, chicken and rabbit problem. Okay, but it's actually quite mathematically fun because today, that's the topic's name. And imagine, guys, imagine we have chickens and rabbits in the same cage over here. Okay, and now, so for example, guys. There are some chickens and rabbit in the cage, and given that there are a total of 5 heads and 16 legs, we need to find the number of chickens and rabbits inside the cage. Okay, and now, of course, it's not just restricted to chickens and rabbits. We can also do something else like ducks and goats. Okay, and a bicycle and a car or whatever. It can be very, very different. So let's get started, guys. So now, there is a chicken and a rabbit in a cage, okay? And notice it said a chicken and a rabbit. So one chicken and one rabbit. Now let's investigate how many heads and legs we have in total. So first of all, guys, we have a chicken. And chicken will have one head, obviously, and will have 2 legs. All right? And a rabbit will have one head as well, and it will have 4 legs. Okay? So altogether, in total, we will have 2 heads and 6 legs. Pretty easy so far, isn't it, guys? What do you think? Yeah, easy. And now, guys, if we have 5 chickens and 4 rabbits on a farm, how many heads and legs do we have in total? So, yes, Livy, you could probably debate, oh, Jason, don't rabbit have 2 legs technically? Well, if I draw a picture, guys, if this is a rabbit, okay, sorry about the bad picture. So these are 4 legs. Okay, so it's just being general. Okay, guys? So anyways. Yeah. Now, that is why, Livy, I told you I could change this to, 4 lions if you want. Okay? 4 legs. Or I could say horses. Okay? It's not restricted to just rabbits. You need to understand the main concept of chickens and rabbits as the topic. Not literally, oh, Jason, rabbit stays down on 2 legs. Okay? There's going to be so many questions like this. If you're going to keep questioning about this really, simple, non-mathematical things, We can go on and on and on and on and on. All right, so yeah, that's right, Chris. This is not an animal lesson, exactly. Good point. Okay, so guys, if we have 5 chickens and 4 rabbits on a farm, how many heads and legs do we have in total? Guys, first of all, there are many different ways. I'm going to say this one more time. We have many different ways to solve this topic in today's lesson. However, I'm going to show you a couple. You guys can use either one you like, and if you have your own way, that's also fine as long as you get the answer correctly. Does that make sense, guys? Okay, so the first baby method is drawing a picture, guys. So 5 chickens. So I'm just gonna draw, circles with 2 legs because chickens have 2 legs. And I'm gonna count. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 heads. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 legs. And on the other side, I'm gonna draw 4 rabbits. And I'm gonna draw a circle for a head as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 heads, and 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, 16 legs. And by adding them together, guys, we have 9 heads and 26 legs. Okay, now this was the most, I guess, simplest method that everybody can understand. But yes, it's totally fine. You could probably draw a better picture than mine. But imagine if the questions are a little bit more complicated. Do we want to keep drawing pictures, guys? What do we think? What do we say? Do we want to keep drawing a lot of pictures if the questions are quite kind of complicated? No. We want to do a little bit more smarter. Okay? So, how do we solve this smarter? So, guys, first of all, we're going to multiply a few things. So, now, first, chickens. Now, chickens, if we have 5 chickens, that means, guys, we have, first of all, 5 heads, right? Because 1 head for each chicken. And now, since we have 5 chickens, 5 times 2 legs, which equals to 10 legs. And now, what about rabbits? So 4 rabbits. Well, we have 4 heads as well because each rabbit has 1 head. And now, since we have 4 rabbits, but each rabbit has 4 legs, it's going to be 4 times 4, 16 legs. And now what you're going to do next is just add them together to find 5 plus 4 is 9 heads. And 10 plus 16 is 26 legs. Much faster. Okay, everybody understand? Yes. Yeah, this is my favorite. But this is what I was going to do as well. Yes, good. Now, guys, you can see, you can draw a picture or you can just simply calculate. Guys, let's see how quickly and how accurately you guys can do this question, guys. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. So everybody start. Here you go. All right. Okay, so the time is nearly up. Okay, guys, so the time is up, and the correct answer is actually C. And we have a couple of students with making silly mistakes, but first let me give everybody a trophy if you get this question correctly, guys. Okay, so raise your hand if you can explain how you did this question to the class, guys. Click the raise your hand button. Okay, so let's start with Livy. Okay, hello, Livy.
Hello.
Livy, first of all, how many legs do we have for chickens?
Chickens have 2 legs.
Yep, that's right. Chickens have 2 legs. Guys, some people said 28 because they thought chickens have 4 legs and 2 legs for rabbits. So how many legs did we agree to say for rabbits? How many legs does each rabbit have?
4.
Yes, that's right. So 2 legs and 4 legs. Okay, so did you draw a picture or did you calculate? How did you do this question, Livy?
I calculated.
Okay, so 7 chickens. Now, do we need to worry about how many heads do we have in total?
No.
No, because the question said how many legs. Good. So if we have 7 chickens and chickens, they have 2 legs. So we multiply by what?
Multiply by 7.
Which we get?
Chickens. 14.
14 legs. Excellent. And what about 5 rabbits? 5 rabbits. How many legs do we have? Well, you said 4.
I have 4 legs times 5 rabbits.
Yep.
Equals 20.
20 legs. So, okay. So what happens if you add 14 and 20 together?
You get 34.
We get 34 legs. Very good. So that's why the answer is C. Well done, Livy. Very simple and easy and nice. Okay, so does everybody understand how to do this question? So far, very easy. Okay, well done, well done, well done, well done. Good. All right, but now let's do something else. Now, Forrest, okay, I read your message. Stop saying that you're late, okay? Now, we are going to now, do cars and tricycles. Now, do you guys remember tricycles? Now, tricycles, let me show you if I have a picture of a tricycle, okay. Now, okay. I think you guys are gonna like this. Guys, this is a tricycle. How many wheels do we have for a tricycle, guys? 3. Yes. Isn't this a nice picture? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's for babies. Now, you can see we have 5 cars and 7 tricycles in the parking lot. The baby tricycles are in the parking lot. Cool. Now, given that each car will have 4 wheels, like we all know, and each tricycle has 3 wheels, like I showed you in the picture, how many wheels do we have in total? So, guys, let's calculate because I don't like to draw too many pictures again. So, okay, we have 5 cars, and cars have 4 wheels. And since we have 5, so multiply by 5, we get 20 wheels. Okay, and now for tricycles, we have 7 tricycles. And 7 tricycles, and that means we have 3 wheels for every tricycle, and times by 7 because we have 7 of them, 21 wheels. So together, guys, if we add them together, 20 plus 21, that equals to 41 wheels. So, very simple. As long as you read the question carefully, everybody should be able to get the question correct. Am I right, guys? Okay, very good, very good. All right, so don't make silly mistakes again, guys, because not everybody got the previous question correctly. So if we have different number of things in the park, so what do you think the answer is this time? So let's see how many people can get this question right. I hope everybody can get this right. 2 minutes. Okay, so the time is up, guys. So please don't forget to submit your answer. Not everybody have submitted their answer. Okay, and the answer is B, guys. Again, not everybody got this question correct. So, guys, who can please explain this question to the class? Click the raise your hand button. Okay, so let's have Kelly. Okay, Kelly, you want to try? All right. Hello, Kelly.
Hi.
Hi. So, Kelly, so how did you do this question? Walk me through.
So I calculated it and I got B. So it was basically 10 times 2 plus 6 times 3.
Yeah.
And yeah.
So, okay, because we have 10 bicycles, and bicycle has 2 wheels, and tricycles, we have 6 of them, and tricycles have 3 wheels. That's why we do 10 times 2 and 6 times 3, and we add them together. Isn't that right, Kelly? Okay, very good, Kelly. Thank you very much. That was very quick, and that is the answer. So, guys, again, 10 bicycles means we have 2 wheels times 10, which equals to 20 wheels. And now we have how many tricycles? 6 tricycles, okay. That means 3 wheels and times by 6 equals to 18 wheels. So altogether, guys, if we add them together, 20 plus 18 equals to 38 wheels. Very good, that's why it's B. Okay, everybody? So let's quickly do these easy questions out of the way, and let's do some hard questions. Come on, okay? So now, guys, there are 6 crickets and 4 spiders in a container. Now remember, these bugs have, disgusting. Now a cricket has 6 legs, and a spider has 8 legs if you remember what they are. Now, but we need to count how many legs there are in total. Yuck. I can imagine there's going to be so many legs. Okay, guys. Disgusting. Yeah. But let's calculate again, guys. So 6 crickets. They have 6 legs apparently. And we have how many? 6 crickets. Okay, so yuck! 36 legs for the crickets. And 4 spiders. So spiders, they have 8 legs. And we have 4 of them. Which means we have how many disgusting spider legs, guys? Let's see how good you guys are with the calculation. 32. Thank you, Jason. Yes, 32 legs. So if we add them together, yikes, how many disgusting legs do we have altogether, guys? 36 plus 32 equals to 68 disgusting legs. Okay. Now, so far, I think it is still easy. What do you guys think, guys? What do you guys think? Is it still easy? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay. So let's quickly move away from this question. And this is now your turn to read this question carefully and submit the correct answer. So again, guys, I will give you 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Okay, guys, so the time is now up, and the correct answer is B. So well done, guys, for those of you who got this question correct. And guys, click the raise your hand button if you know how to solve this question. Okay, Chris. Hello, Chris.
Hi.
So, Chris, first of all, can you read this question out loud to the class?
Uncle Robert drew some monsters on a piece of paper. There were 6-legged monsters and 8-legged monsters. He drew 5 6-legged monsters and 3 8-legged monsters, respectively. How many legs were there in total? Note: each monster has 1 head.
Exactly. So, but Chris, do we need to worry about how many heads do we have?
No.
No, because the question said how many legs. Okay, so first of all, we have 6-legged monsters. How many do we have?
5.
Yeah, we have 5 6-legged monsters. Okay, so how do we calculate how many legs we have for them?
6 times 5.
Exactly. They're obviously going to have 6 legs, and we have 5 of them, which equals to how much, Chris?
30.
30 legs. Very good. And now we have how many 8-legged monsters?
3.
3. So 3 8-legged monsters. Okay, so how do we calculate for this one?
3 times 8.
Yeah, that's right. 8 legs. And we have 3 of them, which equals to how many legs?
24 legs.
Okay, so in total, 30 plus 24 equals to how many legs, Chris?
54.
54 legs. So that's why the answer is B. Well done, Chris. That was awesome. So, guys, again, easy. What do you think? Yeah, nice. All right, so what about this one, guys? We have 8 cars, 6 trucks, and 5 vans. Now, I want you to read the question carefully to see how many wheels we have for the cars, how many wheels we have for the trucks, how many wheels we have for the vans. Okay, and you need to tell me how many wheels do we have in total. So for this question, I'm going to give you some options. All right, so you guys can try and calculate now. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 minutes as well. Ha! Not everybody is correct. So check your answers if you have finished already. Okay, guys, so the time is up. And the answer is actually, guys, C. So well done, guys. Many people got this answer correctly. And guys, who would like to explain how we did this question? So, okay, Jeffrey. Okay, hello, Jeffrey.
Hello.
Hey, nice shirt, by the way.
Thanks.
All right, Jeffrey. So, can you read this question out loud so everybody can know what we need to do?
There are 8 cars, 6 trucks, and 5 vans in a parking lot.
Okay.
Given that each car
Yep.
So,
Car has 4 wheels. And then?
Yeah. A truck has six wheels,
Okay.
and a van has 8 wheels.
Okay. All right. So, how do we solve this question then?
So I've actually written it out. So
Okay.
can I show you it?
Yeah, you can show me. Let me have a quick look. Oh, yeah. So okay. Wow. Very nice calculations. All right. I think that's correct. So walk me through. So we have 8 cars, and cars have how many wheels?
4.
So 4 wheels, and 4 times what?
4 times 8.
Yes, which equals to
32.
32 wheels. All right. And now we have 6 trucks. And trucks apparently have how many wheels?
6.
6 wheels. Okay. So 6 times what?
6 times 6.
Okay, which equals to
36.
36 wheels. Okay. Very good. And now we have 5 vans. Now, how many wheels does every van have?
8 wheels.
8 wheels. Okay, I like that. So 8 times what?
8 times 5.
Good, which equals to
40 wheels.
40 wheels. Very good. Okay, so now let's just add everything together. So 32 plus 36 plus 40. Now, can you tell me what is 32 plus 36?
68.
68. Okay, and now what is 68 plus 40?
108.
And 108 wheels. So that is why, guys, the answer is C. Well done, Jeffrey. Nice. Very clear and good working out as well. So, does everybody now understand how to do this question, guys? Yes, very good. Now, and do you guys also know where you made your silly mistakes, guys? Okay, good. So, now, guys, let's have a short break. Thank you, Livy. Guys, since you guys did so well, let's have some fun during this break. And what's that, Kelly? You all right? Okay. Oh, so very good. All right. So raise your hand if you can share us a riddle or. Yep. So okay, who want to start first? Sophie. Okay, Sophie. So hello, Sophie.
Hi.
Hi.
I have a riddle.
A riddle. Okay.
You have one gun and one bullet. There's a bear on your right and a jaguar on the left. Which one do you shoot?
Oh, did you say you have one diamond?
One bullet and one gun.
Oh, one
There's
bullet
a
and
jaguar
one
on the
gun.
right-
Okay. So guys,
one
what do you
jaguar
think?
on the right, one left.
People are saying the bear. Is it the bear? What's the answer, Sophie?
You drink the bear and drive the jaguar. There's more than one bear and more than one jaguar.
Why do you drink the bear? I don't get it.
It's not like the bear. It's like this beer, so you can drink it.
Oh, it's beer. Oh, I see. And the Jaguar is a brand of a car. Okay, nice one, Sophie. Now, anybody else? A different riddle? Kelly, do you have a good one? All right, so let me have a look. All right, Kelly.
So imagine you're in a room with no windows and no doors, no anything. How do you escape?
Can you say that one more time?
Imagine you're in a room with no windows and no doors. How do you escape?
No windows or no doors. How do we escape? Does anybody know? Ooh, it's tough. What's the answer, Kelly?
Wait, I think someone got it.
Okay, what's the answer?
Almost stop imagining.
Why? Can you explain?
Because I said, imagine you're in a room. Not exactly in a room. So,
Oh, okay. Very nice. All right. Thank you, Kelly. That's a good one. And let's have Grace. Okay, Grace. Hello, Grace.
Hi.
So, what's the riddle you have?
I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. What am I?
Oh, anybody know the answer to that? Oh, so can you repeat one more time? I think people didn't hear it properly.
I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. What am I?
I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. Okay, what am I? Oh, is it a barber? Barber?
Yeah.
Yes, because it shaved somebody else's, right?
Yeah.
Good, I like that. Very good. Okay, let's have one more, guys. Okay, let's have Ricky. Okay, Ricky, hello.
Hello.
All right, Ricky, I want you to sit down and talk to me if you want to do a riddle. Ricky, can you sit down?
Okay. I saw on Fluffy. I have a cover on it. Who I am.
I'm tall, I'm fluffy, I have a cover on it. What am I, guys? Oof. What is it, Ricky?
A mountain.
Oh, a mountain. Why? Can you please explain?
Like, if you mountain kind of have like snow.
Snow.
Snow is kind of fluffy.
Yes.
And it's tall. The mountain.
So yes, because the mountain is tall and snow gets fluffy and it covers the mountain. Very good, Ricky. I like that. Okay. So, guys. Now, Kelly, I know that's a candle, isn't it? All right. So, guys, let's do some hard questions now. Okay. If you want to do more riddles, Hannah. Oh, you should have went to the toilet when the break started, Hannah. Okay. So, maybe can you go to the toilet when you finish doing it one question, Hannah? Okay, good. Now. All right, so yes, if you want to do more riddles next time, you guys need to behave and listen carefully. So guys, now that we learned how to find total number of legs and how many heads, but what about the opposite? What about the opposite? Guys, Uncle Wang had some chickens and rabbits in a cage on his farm. Now, Uncle Wang counted 8 heads and 22 legs in total, guys. How many chickens and rabbits do we have in the cage? Huh. Okay, things are getting a little bit trickier now. Now for this question, I'm going to show you two of my favorite methods, guys. There's one method which everybody will like, and there's one method who smart people will like. So, but I think nobody knows the answer. Good. Yes, I'm pretty sure some smart people already know what the answer is. But let me share you my method, guys, for all the smart people in my class. Okay. All right. 8? No. You need to tell me how many chickens and how many rabbits you have each. 2 rabbits, 11 chickens. Melody, but we have 8 heads. 1 chicken, 5 rabbits. Ha! 5 chickens. Okay. So guys, you guys are just guessing. Guessing. No. I'm going to show you a method that everybody will like first. Okay. So guys, we have 8 heads and 22 legs in total. So we know that rabbit and chicken have 1 head each. But guys, I'm going to do something like this first. So chicken and rabbits. And we want to make sure we have correct number of heads. And we want to see the legs a little bit later. So guys, 8 heads. So how about we start, guys, with 8 chickens and no rabbits? So if we have 8 chickens, guys, how many legs do we have? 16, yes. And 0 rabbits means we have no legs for rabbits, so plus 0 equals to 16. And now, guys, let's try 7 chickens and 1 rabbit. We still have 8 heads, so it's fine. Now, if we have 7 chickens, how many legs do we have for the chickens, guys? 14, yes. And 1 rabbit means how many legs do we have for the rabbits? 4. Okay, which makes it 18. So I think some people already figured out the pattern here. But if we continue, guys, 6 times 2 is 12 legs for the chickens, and 2 times 4 equals to 8 for the rabbits, so 20 legs. So yes, so the pattern, guys, every single time we're getting how many more legs? 2, yes, exactly. So, and what's happening? We're going down by 1, and we are going up by 1 for the rabbits. So now, guys, so the next one is going to be 5. And we don't need to calculate because we know the pattern already. And 3 and 8 heads. And if you want to double check, so 10 and 3 times 4 is 12, which is 22. So yes, as you can see, this is the method what everybody is able to do. Okay? So no, Isabella, it's the other way around. And now, guys, if you're really good at this method, you can do this really, really quickly. So let me show you how quickly you can do this. So first of all, guys, so this is how fast you can do if you're very good at this. So again, draw some tables. And now, guys, start with 8 chickens and no rabbits, 8 heads, and 16. And just do one more table, okay? 8 heads. So that's going to be 14 plus 4, which is 18. And now you can see the pattern immediately. Okay, plus 2. So you want to keep going until you have 22 legs. So it's going to be 20. And next it's going to be 22. All right, so we need to go down using the pattern, guys. Now, all you need to do is fill up the numbers. And as you can see, the numbers are going down for chickens by 1. So 8, 7, 6, 5, and then 0, 1, 2, 3. And obviously, each of them will have 8 heads. So, boom, that's my answer. Does that make sense, everybody? This is the method that everybody can do. All right. Now, so let me show you guys the second method, what I like to do, guys. This is for smart people. And this is actually a lot faster if you get used to it, guys. Guys, think about it. Think about it. If we have 8 chickens, guys, we will have 16 legs. And guys, think about how many legs do we get more if we change chicken into rabbit? So we have 2 legs for chickens and 4 legs for rabbits. If we change 1 chicken to 1 rabbit, how many more legs do we get? Yes. Yes, 2. If you change chicken into a rabbit, we get 2 more legs. And now, so currently, guys, we want to make sure we have 22 legs, but right now we have 16. So we need to change some chickens into rabbits so we can have more legs. So let's find the difference. 22 take away 16 equals to how much, guys? Yes, 6. And now, we need 6 more legs. Now, what does that mean? That means we need to change how many chickens into rabbits, guys? 4, Kelly? Are you sure? 2? 6? Are you sure, guys? No, that's right. Guys, we need 6 more legs, and every single time you change a chicken into a rabbit, we get 2 more legs. So it's going to be 3 rabbits. Remember? So, since you changed into 3 rabbits, guys, how many chickens do we have left? So, we had 8 chickens originally, so now 3 rabbits, we have 5 chickens. See how quick that was, Sophie? Do you like this method, Sophie? I think you'll like this method, Sophie. Yeah, yes, Chris, good. So, yeah, it's very fast. But don't worry, guys, you can use the table if you're not too sure about this method. So, all right. But yes, it is harder though. Yeah. So, guys, this is your turn to tell me how many chickens and rabbits we have again. Guys, raise your hand if you need more time. Okay. So not so easy anymore, is it, guys? And the questions are going to get harder and harder than this. And you guys needed 3 minutes and 30 seconds, which is way too long. You guys need to practice to do this quickly to finish everything in 2 minutes, guys. And we do have some people finishing this question in 2 minutes. Okay, so the time is really up, guys. So the answer is actually C. So well done, guys, who selected the correct answer. So who can explain this question to the class? Okay, let's have Olivia. Hello, Olivia. So you did it in 1 minute and 25 seconds, which is excellent. So how did you do this question, Olivia?
So I did this question. I think so if there are 10 chickens and 0 rabbits, then since every single chicken
Okay.
has
So did you
2
use the table?
I used the calculate.
Oh,
I used the calculating method of starting with 10 chickens and then 0 rabbits. Then every chicken has 2 legs. So
Yeah.
it'll be 20.
20 legs. Okay,
There
but
will
how many
20
legs do we want?
We want 24 legs.
Okay.
So rabbits add. If you have rabbits have 4 legs, so there will be 2 more legs in total.
Good. So let's find the difference. 24 take away 20 equals to how much?
Is 4.
So
It's
we
4.
need 4 more legs. Isn't that right, Olivia?
Yeah.
So how many chickens do we need to
So-
change?
So we need to change 4 divided by 2 equals 2 chickens.
Good. 2 chickens
2
into rabbits. So we have 2 rabbits then. Then that means how many chickens do we have left?
So we have 8 chickens.
Very good. So that's why the answer is C. Well done, Olivia. See, do you see how this method is really quick? Yeah, good. Okay, guys, who used the table method? Yes, Hannah, you can go. So, okay, Kevin. Okay, Kevin. So, hello, Kevin. Hello, Kevin. Can you unmute your microphone?
Hello?
So, Kevin, okay. So let's use the table method because you said we used the table method. So I'm assuming you need to write chickens and rabbits. And what else did you write?
Heads and legs.
Yes, heads and legs. Good. And legs. Okay. So what did you do first? How many chickens? How many rabbits first?
10 chickens and 0 rabbits.
Yep, that means we have 10 heads. Good. So how many legs do we have if we have 10 chickens and 0 rabbits?
20.
20 legs. Okay. And what did you do next?
Put 9 under the chickens and then 1 under the rabbit.
Yeah, 9 chickens and 1 rabbits means we still have 10 heads. And how many legs do we have this time?
22.
Yes, because 18 plus 4 equals to 22. So what's the pattern? What's happening?
Adding 2.
Yeah, so we just need to add 1 more and that will be our answer, 24. So that means how many chickens do we have now?
8.
And how many rabbits?
2.
Good. So 8 times 2 legs is 16 and 2 times 4 legs equals to 8, which equals to 24. Good, Kevin. So it's good that you're using the table method as well. So guys, like I told you, these are the 2 main methods that you guys can use. All right, so does everybody understand? Yes, don't be late, William. Okay, good. All right, now let's have a look at this question. A car and a tricycle question. Now remember, a car has 4 wheels and a tricycle has 3 wheels. And guys, we have altogether 10 cars and tricycles. This doesn't mean we have 10 cars and 10 tricycles. It means that we have 10 things. So cars and tricycles add up to 10. Does that make sense, guys? Yeah? All right. But we counted, we have 36 wheels in total. So how many cars and tricycle do we have? Okay, so guys, so let's do the table method first. So we have car and wheel, not wheel, sorry, tricycle. And let's count the wheels together. And now, all right, so let's do 10 cars and 0 tricycles first. So how many wheels do we have if we have 10 cars, guys? Good. 40 wheels. And now let's go back. 9 cars and 1 tricycles, guys. So now, if we have 9 cars, how many wheels for 9 cars? Guys, 36. And if we have 1 tricycle, how many wheels for 1 tricycle? 3. So 39. So what's the pattern, guys? So what's the pattern? Yes, Sherlock, we're going down by 1. So, okay, so let's keep going down until we get 36. Yes, subtract by 1, Melody. So, subtract 1 and we get 38. We need to get 36, so we need to keep going. And let's see. So, keep going. And we have 37. And we need to do 1 more. 36, there we go. And now let's fill up the numbers, guys. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 cars, Jackson. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer is 6 cars and 4 tricycles. So this is the table method. And of course, if we did the table method, we should always try the calculation method. So, all right, guys, first step, 10 cars. We know that this is 40 wheels. And now, but we want 36 wheels. So what's the difference? So 40 take away 36 equals to 4 less wheels. So we need 4 less. And now, guys, if we change a car into a tricycle, how many wheels are we losing? 1. Yes, that's right. So how many cars do we need to change if we want to have 4 less wheels, guys? We need 4 tricycles. Yes. And if we have 4 tricycles, guys, that means we have 6 cars. Boom. Much faster. Magic. Okay. So, but you guys can still choose what method you like to use. I'm not too fussed about whatever you use, guys. So, does that make sense, everybody? Good. All right, so now this is your turn, guys. All right. Nodding. Thank you. All right. Here you go. Now, I will give you 3 minutes. No more than that, guys. So you better, make sure you read everything carefully and make sure you have the correct answer. Okay. All right, guys. So the time is up, but much faster than before. Very good, guys. So now the answer is B. So well done, guys. So who would like to explain how they got B, guys? So, okay, let's have Kathy. All right, Kathy, how did you do this question?
First, I calculated like how to get like 32 wheels.
Okay.
And then, so first I did 4 minus 9 equals 5, and then times 4 equals 20, and then there's 4 tricycles. So, and then 3 times 4 equals 12, and 20 plus 12 equals 32.
Okay, so you did some guessing and checking by checking the multiple choice answers and multiplied by 4 for the car and 3 for the tricycle. Isn't that right, Kathy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's also fine if it's a multiple choice question. But Kathy, if this was not a multiple choice question, you need to calculate or draw a table, okay? But,
Okay.
guessing and checking still works for this question. That's fine, Kathy. Well done. All right. So, who did the table method, guys? Raise your hand if you did the table method. Okay, let's have Melody. Hello, Melody.
Hi.
So, did you use the table method?
Yes.
Okay, so we have a car and we have a tricycle. And we have number of wheels. Okay, what did you do first?
I put 9 on the car
Okay,
and a 0 at the tricycle,
okay,
and it equals 36,
yep,
and I put 8 at the cars
yep.
and 1 at the tricycle.
hmm
I have 35.
Yes, because 8 times 4 is 32. 32, so 32 plus 3 equals to 35. Okay, so did you find the pattern already?
Yeah,
What's happening?
minusing 1.
Oh, exactly, so very good. So what is the total number of wheels next? 30?
4.
Good. And what's next? 30?
33.
Good. And what's next?
32.
And 32 is something that we want, isn't it?
Yeah,
So, okay, so let's do cars. 9, 8, 7, and then?
6.
And then?
5.
Good. And tricycles. So 0, 1, 2, and then?
3.
Yep.
4.
Good. So that's our answer. 5 cars and 4 tricycles. Good, Melody. Thank you very much. And raise your hand if you did the calculation method. Okay, so let's have Melody as well. Okay, so Melody fine. So Melody Chung used the table and Melody Bai used the calculation. Hello, Melody. So you need to unmute yourself. Yes, please. Do you know how to unmute? Oh, there we go. So how did you do this question, Melody? Hey, Melody, can you tell me how you did this question? It's okay. Oh, okay. How about Melody? Look at me first. Melody, look at me. Okay. How about we do this together? The calculation method. You just tell me the numbers, okay? So, Melody, I think it's easy to have 9 cars. How many wheels do we have? Can you tell me?
36.
Good. 36 wheels. Okay. And now, Melody, we want 32. So, what's the difference? Can you tell me the difference?
4.
Yes. Now, we need 4 less wheels. And Melody, if we change a car into a tricycle, what happens? Are we losing a wheel or getting more wheel? Or how many?
We get less wheels?
Yeah, lose how many wheels?
Two.
2? 4 wheels into 3. Are we losing 2 wheels?
1 wheel.
Yes, that's right. We're losing 1 wheel. So if you want to lose 4 wheels, Melody, how many cars do we need to change into a tricycle? We want to lose 4 wheels. So it means we need to change 4 cars into a tricycle. So 4 tricycles. So if we have 4 tricycles, how many cars do we have left, Melody?
5.
Yes, 5 cars. Well done, Melody. That's how we calculate. Very good. All right. Well done, Melody. Oh, and both Melody, actually. Oops. Okay. So, guys, does everybody now know how to do this question? Yes, okay. And now, guys. Yuck. Disgusting, disgusting insects again. The cricket has 6 legs. Spider has 8 legs. Yes, we know that. Now, we have 6 insects altogether. Spiders and crickets, we have 6 in total. In a box, even. Yuck. And guys, we counted and there were 40 legs. So how many crickets and spiders do we have altogether, and need to find how many crickets and spiders each? So guys, unfortunately, okay, let's do a table again. So cricket. Yes. How about guys? Guys, okay, let's change this question. I don't like cricket and spiders. Can you guys tell me anything that has 6 legs or 6 something? Give me some idea, guys.